Hi students, welcome to the ASPN classes. So this is the 9th video of the continuity and differentiability chapter. In the last class we studied that derivative of implicit functions and inverse trigonometric functions. Today we are going to discuss that derivative of exponential function and logarithmic functions. Okay, first we are going to understand what is the exponential functions. Okay, let us start. Okay, so what is the exponential function? What type of function you consider as exponential? It means already we know that the function y is equals to e raised to x. This is the exponential function. No? Okay, I am going to give you one more result, 10 raised to x, and again I am to take one more example, e raised to x. Is it these two are also exponential function? These all three results are also exponential function. Exponential function, it means the base is always constant. You have to take it here. Okay, so exponential, it means these result is variable here. Exponential, the ratio you are getting, no, that is a variable here. Okay, and then bases are the always it is a constant. E is also one of the constant, a is also constant, and 10 is also constant. Okay, it means you have to write it that result exponential function, it means a raised to x in the form. In this case a value is always greater than 1. Okay, always you have to take it greater than 1. So lesser than 1 you have to take out, it means that always that value will be again decreasing. Okay, so that's why always you have to take out that greater than 1 value. 1 only you take, it means again the answer is 1 only. 1 raised to anything is 1 only, no? So that's why I have to take it a value is always greater than 1. That is also positive basis. Base, this is the base, no? So always you have to take the base is a positive number. Okay, okay. So this type of functions are considered as the exponential functions. Okay, so in this case observe here one example I am taking here 10 raised to x. Suppose you go and draw this graph of this result, it means what you will be get the answer. Observe what is the function here, 10 raised to x is there. So you have to go and fill up the results. X value is 1, then what is the answer? 10 is the answer. Then x value is 2, then what is the answer? 100. Okay, when you take it x value is 1, y value you get here somewhere here 10, correct? When you take x value is 2, then directly you get 100 is the answer, no? Okay, so you have to go and draw this type of a graph. Okay, see this result in all the exponential functions. Suppose x value is 0, it means on that time y value is 1 is the answer. Okay, in this exponential function x value, these are the x values, any exponential function x value you take it 0, it means the answer is 1. Why? It means observe here in this example only, observe y is equals to a raised to x, x value I am taking here 0, then what is the answer here? I am taking this result, x value is 0, it means a raised to 0 answer is 1 only. Anything raised to 0 answer is always 1. Okay, in this case also 10 raised to 0 you take it, again what is the answer? 1. Again here also you take it here e raised to 0, that answer also 1. It means when in the exponential function when you take x is equals to 0, it means then always that y value is 1 is the answer. Okay, it means the result will be here x is 0 and y is here you take it 1, it means all the graphs are start with this way only, it will be move. It will be start with this is the point is x value is 0, y is 1. Okay, all the exponential graph will be start with this way only, and this always all the graphs are not come to in negative section. So always it is a near to the left hand side this result negative, but it is not going to negative values also. Okay, so this is the exponential concept. Okay, next I am going to take that derivative of a exponential function. Okay, now what are the exponential function? Already studied that y is equals to a raised to x. This is one example. I am going to take one more example, y is equals to 10 raised to x, or a third one y is equals to e raised to x. Okay, now you have to take out this derivative of these exponential function. It means, okay, observe here I am going to take it here, differentiate with respect to x, then what is the answer here? Dy by dx is equals to a raised to x as it is, then log of a. Okay, or base e also you can write it here. Okay, so what is the a raised to x differentiation? It means a raised to x into log of a base e. You may also write this result, d by dx of a raised to x is equals to a raised to x into log a. How to write it always, correct? Okay, now observe that next result also. What is the 10 raised to x result? 10 raised to x differentiation you take, it means again here also dy by dx is equals to, here also simple, 10 raised to x log of 10. correct. So you have to write it here as it is. A is the constant, you have to take it here first as it is, you have to write down, then log of a in the place 10 is, so write it 10. And similarly e raised to x answer, already you know that differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only, you are saying. Okay, observe, in this case also I am going to applying the same thing, differentiate with respect to x. Then what is the answer? dy by dx is equals to, I am going to applying the same exponential differentiation. What is the formula? E raised to x as it is, then log of e, how to write it here, correct. And always you have to remember log of e value is 1. Okay, so what is that? Log of e value is 1, always you have to remember this. Okay, so then what is remaining finally? dy by dx, y is equals to, what is the answer? E raised to x, no? So d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x is the result. Okay, not only these are the exponential, so many results are there, the exponential function. For example, suppose I am going to take it here, e raised to 3x is there, then what is the this differentiation you have to take? What it means? d by dx of e raised to 3x is equals to, first thing is what here, e raised to x answer is, what is the answer? E raised to x only, so first you write it as it is, e raised to 3x as it is. What is the extra result? 3x, no? X it means directly right here e raised to x only, but extra result 3x, so you have to take it differentiate one more time, d by dx of 3x, then 3x differentiation is what? 3, write it as it is, x differentiation is 1, so 3 into 1 is 1, e raised to 3x, so this is the answer, correct. Okay, so here also a raised to 3x, a raised to 4x, you may also take out any examples. Okay, here at 10 I am taking, here you may also take it 9 raised to x, or 100 raised to x, 7 raised to x, any number also you can take out and find out the answers. Okay. Okay, observe it here, some examples are there, differentiate the following with respect to x. Okay, here some examples are given, you have to take the differentiations. You have to find out, first one is, what is the result here? E raised to minus x is given here. Okay, e raised to minus x is given, this is also one of the exponential function. So now I have to take it y is equals to e raised to minus x, then what is the answer here? dy by dx is equals to, first e raised to x as it is, you have to write down the formula. So e raised to x, it means you consider this is the x only, e raised to x answer is what? E raised to x only, x in the place minus is there, so take out that whatever that extra result, you have to differentiate one more time, correct. Then what you get the finally? dy by dx is equals to minus x differentiation is what? So you can write this result minus 1 into x also you can write, minus 1 you have to write it separately, x differentiation is 1, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 only, and here e raised to minus x, or you may also write this minus 1, it means this result is minus of e raised to minus x. Okay, so differentiation of e raised to minus x answer is minus of e raised to minus x. Are getting clear? Okay, second example, observe it here, sine of log x. Okay, take out this differentiation. Okay, here also observe, y is equals to sine of log x is the given. Okay, first you take out the dy by dx is equals to, sine is the first result, no? Okay, sine differentiation is, what is the answer? Cos of log x, write it as it is. What is the extra term? d by dx of log x is the extra term, write it as it is. Next step, dy by dx is equals to cos of log x as it is, you write it, log x differentiation is what? 1 by x, correct. And then finally you have to write it here, dy by dx is equals to cos of log x divided by x. So this is the last answer. It's a simple case. Okay. Next, third example, observe here, what is given here? Y is equals to cos inverse of e raised to x is there. So now I have to take the differentiation. So dy by dx is equals to cos inverse differentiation. What is the cos inverse differentiation? Minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square is the formula. Okay, x in the place, what is the result here? E raised to x whole square, correct. All of you know this formula, 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, here minus sign. Minus sign you must keep, it means that is a sine inverse formula. Minus sign is there, it means that is a cos inverse of a formula. Here x it means this is the formula, but x in the place, what is the extra term? E raised to x. So I will write e raised to x, that extra term you have to take it differentiate. What is the extra term? E raised to x. correct? And next step, just to e raised to x differentiate, you have to take it dy by dx is equals to e raised to x differentiation is what? E raised to x only, e raised to x into 1, it means e raised to x, here minus sign is there already, e raised to x divided by root of 1 minus e raised to x into 2, it means that is the 2x is the answer. Okay, so this is the last answer. Okay, now it is clear now. Okay, then next, okay, next one more example is there, observe it here, y is equals to e raised to cos x. Now again you have to take the differentiation, dy by dx is equals to e raised to x. E raised to x differentiation is e raised to x only, first you write it e raised to cos x as it is. What is the extra term? Cos x, so take it the differentiation. And then next step, dy by dx is equals to e raised to cos x differentiation minus of sin x. So this is the last answer. Now it is clear, all the examples are understanding now. Okay, so next we have, so now all of you understand what is the exponential function. Next one is logarithmic functions. Okay, exponential logarithmic results. Okay, logarithmic, how to define the logarithmic functions? It means, suppose I am going to take it one exponential function, b raised to y is equals to x. I am taking here, this is the exponential function, here b is the constant, again it is a variable. Okay, so this result, how can you represent in the logarithmic? It means it is a simple log of x, the base is b, is equals to y is the answer. Okay, suppose you are taking one result, 2 raised to 3, answer is what? 8 is the result. Okay, now I have to go and write on this log wise, it means log of 8, the base is 2, is equals to 3 is the answer. It means this is the log value is always given that ratio of that base. Okay, what is the ratio? 2 raised to 3 is there, no? So this value will be generating here. Okay, so in this exponential, this y value you have to take it any number, either positive also you can take it or negative result also you have to take it. This y value you can take it to negative values or positive value also you have to take it, no problem. You can also easily can find out the results. And the b value, I think already you know that this b value is always greater than 1 is there. Okay, and then this x value, what you have to take out? It means this x value is always you have to take out the positive numbers. X value is always you have to take out the positive number. By chance here, it means this complete log value, here it is a y value, so this y value you have to take it positive or negative, any number you have to take it, but the log of x, this x value you have to take it always positive numbers. Okay, suppose here only observe this 2 raised to 3 value, you get the answer is 8, correct? Suppose I am going to take it here 2 raised to minus 3, I am going to take it, means what is this answer? 1 by 8 is the answer, no? Again you get this is a positive answer only, 2 raised to minus 8, that is 1 by 2 raised to 3 answer, again 1 by 2 raised to 3 answer is again 1 by 8 only. It means here you get all the values are the positive numbers, so that's why this result is always positive. Okay, so logarithmic functions you have to define, it means that result log of the base is b, it means you take out that r plus to r plus is your domain. So r plus, it means that always it is x result only, this x result is what here? Plus value, always you take it a positive real number, and here the range is what? R is there, it means that is a y value can take it any number, there is no problem, positive number or negative number, any values you have to take out. Okay, so this type results are considered as the logarithmic functions. So that result b raised to y is equals to x, it means the log of x, the base is b, is equals to y. In this condition, what are the conditions we have to follow? It means that b value, I think already we know that b value is greater than 1, then x value have to take it always positive results, correct? And in this case y value is always any real number you have to consider, correct? So this is the procedure, always have to follow this result. So properties of a logarithmic function. Okay, so these are the very important logarithmic properties up here. First one, log of x into y is there, then what is this result? It means log of x into y, two variable middle multiplication is there, it means you have to write this results log of x plus log of y. This is the first property. Okay, so two variable middle multiplication sign is, it means you take it log of x plus log of y. Suppose the division is there, it means then log of x by y is there, it means then easily you can take it minus sign, log of x minus log of y. So always have to remember this formulas. Okay, when multiplication is there, it means you take out the addition of the two log results. Division is there, it means you take log of x minus log of a y. Suppose in this case, observe, I am going to take it one result here, log of x square I am going to take it here. Okay, so log of x square, you can write this result, log of x into x also you can write, no? So log of x into x, it means you can apply the first formula. Then what is this answer? Observe here, log of x plus log of x, correct? According to that result, multiplication, it means you can take out log of x plus log of x. Both are same result, it means 2 into, right? No, log 2 into log of x. So correct. So this is the result. Now you have to observe these two results. What is the common thing? It means log of x square is, it means the 2 will be coming here. 3 you take, it means again directly write here 3 only. 3, it means what is the answer? X into x into x, 3 you write. So 3 times you write log x plus log x plus log x. Then 3 into log x you have to write. It means generally you have to write one more that property is there. That is the third one property. Log of x raised to n. Log of x raised to n, it means you write here n into log of x. What is the third property? It means log of x raised to n, it means n into log of x. According to here is the one proof already, I will show it here. And next property is also fourth one. So here, suppose log of x, the base is b is there. What is the result? Log of x, the base is b is the given, it means you can write this result also log x divided by log of b. This is also one of the property. Okay, so the base is there, and they write it here denominator log b, and that result also log of x divided by log of b, also you can write it this results. Now getting clear? So these are the four properties are very important when you are taking derivative of a log functions. Okay, so all of you take out this screenshot. This is very important formulas. Okay, so let us start the examples. Right now I am going to solve your exercise 5.4 examples. Okay, so let us start the first one. Observe here. Again here also differentiate with respect to x only the given. So what is the first example? E raised to x divided by sin x. Y is equals to e raised to x divided by sin x. Okay, so differentiate both the side. It means here dy by dx is equals to, here u by v formula. You consider this result is a u and this is a v. What is u by v formula? Here I am going to write here v as it is a u dash minus u as it is a v dash divided by v square. This is your formula for u by v formula. Okay, now I am going to applying this result. What is a v as it is a sin x as it is a differentiation of e raised to x. This is your u, and the e raised to x as it is a d by dx of sin x, the whole divided by sin square x. Correct. Okay, so next step is observe here dy by dx, write it as it is a sin x as it is a e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x, then e raised to x as it is a sin x differentiation is cos x divided by sin of x whole square. Or you may also take e raised to x a common factor also, it is correct, sin x minus cos x divided by sin of x square. But next example observe here, y is equals to e raised to sin x, is sin inverse of x is given here. Now here also take it differentiate with respect to x. Then what is the answer? Dy by dx is equals to e raised to x formula first you have to apply, because you take it this complete part as a x. So e raised to x differentiation is what? E raised to x only. So write it e raised to sin inverse of x. So what is the extra term? D by dx of sin inverse x. This is the extra term. You have to take it one more time, differentiate. Correct? Now you have to take this result e raised to sin inverse x, write it as it is. Take out the sin inverse x formula. What is the result? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Correct? So this is your last answer. Dy by dx is equals to y is equals to what you are taking here, e raised to sin inverse of x is equals to, the answer is e raised to sin inverse x into 1, it means same answer, e raised to sin inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is your last answer. Is it simple? Okay. Is it clear? No? Okay. So next we are going to observe one more example is there, e raised to x cube is there here. E raised to x cube, it means first to write here y is equals to e raised to x cube, it means you consider this is the x result. Okay, again you have to take it here also, differentiate with respect to x, correct? Okay, now you have to differentiate this result. What is the answer? Dy by dx is equals to, again e raised to x formula only, you write it here. What is the extra term? You have to differentiate one more time. X cube is the extra term, so you have to differentiate one more time. Then what is the answer? Observe, dy by dx is equals to e raised to x cube, I am writing as it is. X cube differentiation 3x square, correct? In the x place x only they given, no, here x cube is the x cube differentiation 3x square, because x raised to n formula n into x raised to n minus 1, so apply that formula, you will get this result. And next right here last answer, d by dx of what is the y is equals to e raised to x cube is equals to, I am going to write this result is first e raised to x cube. So this is your last answer. Now it is clear, these all the examples are simple examples are there. Okay, next fourth example observe here. What is the question? It means y is equals to sine of tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay, carefully observe this result. First you take the differentiate with respect to x, here dy by dx. Here also you have to differentiate what is the first function, you have to observe sine is the first function, so you have to differentiate. Sine differentiation is what is the answer? Cos. Write it here, cos of whatever this result, you consider this complete part as a x. Okay, what is in x bracket? Tan inverse of e raised to minus x. This is the complete part is extra term, so differentiate one more time. What is extra term? Tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Is it clear? Okay, next step observe, dy by dx is equals to, write it as it is this part. And here observe, come to what is the first function here? Tan is there, no? So tan inverse function first you have to know that. What is the tan inverse x function differentiation? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So write it here, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, x in the place, what is the extra term here? Write it, that is e raised to minus x. Okay, you consider this is the x only, then it is a formula, x in the place, what is the result? E raised to minus x. Now you have to take it one more time, differentiate. What is the extra result? E raised to minus x is the extra result. Again you have to differentiate that result. And finally you have to write it, the last answer, dy by dx is equals to, write these results as it is, cos of tan inverse of e raised to minus x into, okay, now I am going to write this result, 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus, it means you have to write here minus 2x, 2 into x is 2x, and then e raised to minus x differentiation is what is the answer? Minus of e raised to minus x, no? Already you know that. Okay, up to here is what it means, it is complete. Let me also write here dy by dx is equals to, here minus sign is, so start with minus e raised to x, then cos inverse, write it here as it is, cos tan inverse of e raised to minus x whole divided by, what is remaining here? 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. So this is your last answer. Getting clear now? Okay, next example observe, fifth one here, y is equals to log of cos of e raised to x is given here. Okay, so now I have to differentiate both the side, dy by dx is equals to, first thing is what the function? Log function. So log differentiation is what is the answer? 1 divided by x. 1 by x is the answer, no? X is equals to, what is the result here? Complete bracket only, right here, cos of e raised to x as it is. What is the extra term? D by dx of cos of e raised to x is the extra term. So you have to differentiate this result one more time. Then what is the answer? Observe, dy by dx is equals to, this result write it as it is, cos of e raised to x as it is. Okay, cos differentiation, what is the answer? First here again cos is the first function, cos differentiation is a minus of sine of e raised to x. Again what is the extra term? D by dx of e raised to x is the extra term, no? Correct. Here x it means you write this as it is, but here x in the place e raised to x is there, so you have to take the e raised to x differentiation. E raised to x differentiation is what is the answer? E raised to x only is the answer, no? So write it here, finally dy by dx is equals to, e raised to x multiplied means same, no? Here minus sign also there, right here minus of sine of e raised to x into e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x whole divided by cos of e raised to x. May also write here sine by cos, nothing but what is the answer? Tan is the answer, no? Or may also write here First I am going to write here this minus and e raised to x also. This is sine by cos, it means that result is tan of e raised to x. So this is your last answer. Okay. So next example observe here, e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus so on up to e raised to x raised to 5 is there. Okay. So now I am going to write this result, all the elements. Yes, so on up to there given, no, I am going to write here e raised to x, e raised to x square, next time you write it means e raised to x cube, e raised to x raised to 4 plus e raised to x raised to 5. This is the result, no? Okay. Now how to take the differentiation both the side. See here plus signs are, if you directly take the differentiation, all the results, no? Okay. Observe here dy by dx is equals to, first I am taking e raised to x differentiation. What is the answer? E raised to x differentiation is e raised to x only, plus again next you have to take this result, differentiation of e raised to x. What is the answer? E raised to x square as it is. What is the extra term? D by dx of x square is the extra term. Getting clear? Okay, next step, next example. So here also as it is you write it here. What is the extra term? D by dx of x cube is the extra term. Similarly, next step also, e raised to x raised to 4 d by dx of x raised to 4, and last also same, e raised to x raised to 5 d by dx of x raised to 5 is the answer. Whatever that x in the place, extra term you have to differentiate, and finally you have to write here dy by dx is equals to e raised to x, write it as it is, and here you have to differentiate. Answer x square differentiation is, what is the answer? 2x is the answer. Then write this result as it is, plus again here x cube differentiation, 3x square e raised to x cube, correct? And last here also observe x raised to 4 result, 4 into x cube e raised to x raised to 4 is the answer. Are you getting clear? Again here x raised to 5, it means what is the answer? 5 into x raised to 4 e raised to x raised to 5. So this is your last answer. Now getting clear now all the results are here, all the place you are using x raised to n formulas, and e raised to x answer is as it is e raised to x. So this is the 6th example. Next example observe here. Okay, next example observe here, 7th one. What is given here? Y is equals to root of e raised to root x is given here. Carefully observe this. Okay, differentiate first. First we have to know that what is the root x formula? D by dx of root x formula. So root x formula is, what is the answer? 1 divided by 2 root of x. Okay, so you have to remember this result. Okay, now I am going to applying this result in this root x. So I am going to use this is complete part as a x result. Okay, so next step also. So I am going to differentiate here with respect to x only. Okay, now I have to differentiate this. So what is the answer? Dy by dx is equals to, you can say this is the root x formula. Root x is, what is the answer? 1 divided by 2 into root of x. X is equals to, what is the answer here? E raised to root x. What is the extra result? E raised to root x is the extra result. Write it here, e raised to root x is the extra result. Separately differentiating. And next dy by dx is equals to 2 into root of e raised to root x. Extra result now have to differentiate. E raised to x differentiation is what? E raised to x only. So x in the place, again what is the answer? D by dx of, again extra result is a root x. Again you have to differentiate root x result. Are you getting clear now? Okay, and finally you write it here, dy by dx is equals to, write this result as it is, a 2 into root of e raised to root x, and here also e raised to root x as it is. And next this root x differentiation, what is the answer? Here is the formula, 1 divided by 2 root of x. This is the formula. Or you may also take some simplification also, it means you can write this result here, 2 into 2, what is the answer? 4 is the answer. So write here e raised to root x divided by, here 2 into 2 is 4 in root only, these two are root only there, you can write here x into e raised to root x. Okay, so this is the last answer. Okay, next 8th question you observe here. What is given here? Y is equals to log of log x. Correct. So now I have to differentiate both the side. Then what is the answer here? Dy by dx is equals to log x. You have to take it first. They completely consider as x. What is a log x differentiation? 1 divided by x. 1 divided by x, it means that result is a log x. What is the extra result? Log x is the extra result now. This complete bracket, that result is extra. So write it as it is. And then next dy by dx is equals to log x differentiation is what, again 1 by x only. So finally you write it here 1 by x into log x. So this is the answer. You getting clear? This is the simple example. Okay. Next again observe here 9th example also. What is given here? Y is equals to cos x divided by log x is there. So now I have to apply u by v formula. What is u by v formula? Dy by dx is equals to v as it is. It means log x as it is a differentiation of a d by dx of a cos x minus v as it is. It means cos x as it is a d by dx of a log x whole divided by log x whole square. Correct? And then differentiate this complete result to dy by dx is equals to log x as it is a cos x differentiation is what? Minus of a sin x minus cos x as it is a log x differentiation is what? 1 by x right here into 1 by x and whole divided by log of a x whole square. Now it is clear? Okay, so this is the last, or we also take a minus common factor also, we can write this result. Okay, up to here all differentiation is complete, mean your answer is complete. Now it is getting clear now. Okay, in this exercise last one more example is remaining now. Okay, take out that example. Last example, y is equals to cos of a log x plus e raised to x. Okay, so now I have to differentiate both the side. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to cos x differentiation is what is the answer? Minus of a sin of a log x plus e raised to x, because this complete part you consider as a x only. So this is the answer. What is the extra result? You have to differentiate. Okay, so what is the extra result? Log x plus e raised to x. Okay, so this extra term you have to differentiate one more time now. Okay, observe it here, dy by dx is equals to minus of a sin of a log x plus e raised to x, write it as it is. Now you have to take out in bracket only. Okay, so now you have to take bracket the differentiation result, because here multiplication sign is there no. Okay, log x differentiation is what? 1 by x plus e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x only. Okay, so now it is complete, or you may also multiply this result both the side also, it is correct. Now it is clear. Okay, now in my next video I am going to upload that derivative of a logarithmic functions.